YouTube has a really helpful analytics tool that shows you all kinds of data. Sometimes I think it's overwhelming, probably a little bit too much for me, but it does show that a lot of you are watching my videos, but not everybody subscribes. So I don't know, maybe you forgot. I would really appreciate it if you subscribe. Thank you. Wonderful tune, I really like it. Kind of, mystery and mysterious kind of a sound that takes you on a journey, I think. Really interesting. Be careful with shifting. It happens throughout the piece a few times. Also, be careful with rhythms and dynamics. There's a couple of subito pianos that you really have to be careful. I think they're part of the big part of this composition, and it's important to do them right. And of course, vibrato, warm up the sound, make it warm, nice, and yeah, enjoy. This is going to be a great tune and a wonderful piece to show off your beautiful sound, quality of tone, and musical phrasing, among many other things. Well, if you guys are enjoying the videos, please consider subscribing to my YouTube membership site. It's a very tiny fee, you can cancel anytime, and I really appreciate your support, which helps me buy music, supplies, and continue this channel for everybody. Thank you very much.